Alright, so this question is form smallest number from two digits array. So giving nums1 and nums2. So return the smallest number that contain at least one digit from each array. So let's take an example. So the smallest for, in the example 1, smallest in nums1 is 1. Smallest in nums2 is 5. So we pick these two number out, and then basically we are just find out which one is smallest. If one is smallest, so 1 would be the 10th digit, 5 would be the 1st digit, so you will form 15. But if they have, so in this example, um, so smallest will be 2, and um, smallest will be 1 in this case. But if you form 12, it's not correct because in your nums array you have 3, which is should be the next smallest one. So what you should do is you want to overlap your nums1 and nums2 together to see which is the common value you have, and then you want to use that number instead, because if you multiply by 10, I mean this will always be the smallest one. Smallest multiplied by 10 and then plus the second smallest. This is definitely more, uh, more larger than you should have in the nums array. So there's a trick. So let me show you. So and also the nums can be duplicate, right? So what we need to do is we need to create a set. So I'm going to say s1. I'm going to say get set, and I pass in nums1, and then s2 equal to get set nums2. So what we need to do for hash set get set int array nums. So what I need to do, I create a hash set integer. So I traverse, and then set.add basically, and then return set. Alright, return set. Alright, so here's the set for nums1 and nums2. So I can just use return O s1 at s2. So s1 dot return O s2. So what is return O method? So basically is from this set of all these elements that are contained in a specific collection. So let's think about this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this is 1, 2, 3. So what you should have is what? 1, 2, 3, right? Set after return O operation. So this is 1 dot return O2. So you're supposed to have a overlap, which is 1, 2, 3. So we know this idea. So if S1 is not empty, so something is overlap, right? And then I can say return S1.stream map.toInt, and then basically just get a minimum, and then get as int. So I find the smallest one and I return. Else, I'm going to find out, one from this array, the other one from this array. So I'm going to say x equal to int stream dot of nums1 dot min dot get as int. This is happening, the same thing for y. Nums2. And then basically it's just a return meta min x comma y multiplied by 10 plus meta max x comma y. So whichever smallest one will go first, and then whichever largest one will go second. So this is the solution. Alright, so let's think about the time and space. So space is going to be this. It's going to be maximum between nums1 and nums2. Time, this is time it's going to be all of, depending on the retain. The worst case is going to be all of n. They have the same element. And this is going to be all of n as well. This is going to be all of m. Like n represent nums1, m represent nums2. And this is pretty much a solution. Alright, I'll see you later. Bye.